The team from the Government Delivery and Efficiency Management Office, domiciled within the Office of the President, has visited Busia for purposes of inspecting and verifying the implementation status of various national government projects. We started off with Alupe University students' hostels, which is being built by the national government at a cost of 1.1 billion shillings. You are aware that we have been facing a challenge of accommodation within the university, so the national government has come in as an agent of necessity to help the universities come up with decent and secure accommodation for university students. So we are doing that at Alupe University. We then visited also the tuition block, a modern multi-story tuition block within the university. This one is being done at a cost of 405 million shillings. This one is at 27% completion level, and it is being done at a total cost of 405 million shillings. We have also visited the Alupe Dam water supply and sanitation project. The project was launched by the President some time back. The contractor has been waiting for the designs as well as the survey data that is supposed to be provided by Lake Victoria North Waterworks Development Agency. The agency has assured us that come Monday, the contractor will get that requisite data and the relevant designs. The necessary payments has also been made to the contractor, and the contractor has confirmed that. So we expect that the contractor will be on site, fully mobilized to commence the work next week. Then we have done also inspection of the Benga Akobwait Papa Road. This is a 3-kilometer road being undertaken at a cost of 108 million shillings. It's currently at 67% completion level. This road will facilitate connectivity within the wider Teso South sub-county, but it will also be an easy access road, a shorter access road from Bumala to Mumias through Mayoni. Then we have visited the Busia County Aggregation and Industrial Park being implemented by the State Department of Industry at a cost of 448 million shillings. It's at 75% completion level, and this will facilitate provision of value addition to agricultural products and also job creation to our youth and women in equal measure. Next to it again, we have assessed the status of the export processing zone facility being undertaken by the export processing zones at a cost of 475 million. That also is at 78% completion level, and this will facilitate creation of job opportunities and even investment opportunities within that space. We are now here at the Bumala Strategic Market. This is one of the markets that the national government, in partnership with the county government, is rolling out all over the country to support our mothers and sisters who are working as itinerary traders and are domiciled at the bottom of the economic pyramid. You remember that in our Kenya Kwanza plan, we did promise that our plan will be bottom up. And this is one example of the interventions the national government has rolled out to support those domiciled at the bottom of the economic pyramid. Apart from modern stalls, we are going to have an ICT hub here. We are going to have water-driven ablution facilities. We will have a lactation room for breastfeeding mothers as well. And in equal measure, we are encouraging the contractors to utilize as much as possible local produce. So it will also be ready market for those who are in the Juakali industry. The contractors have got firm instructions to ensure that where necessary, they procure materials from the locals and also acquire labor from the local communities. From here then we will be visiting now the affordable housing project, which entails 880 units. This again is being done by the national government at a cost of 2.6 billion shillings. It's at 40% completion level. Apart from affordable housing, it is also going to provide ready market for the Juakali sector, our youth who are in the Juakali sector, by way of supply of doors, by way of supply of windows. Then eventually we will visit now this afternoon the Lower Nzoia irrigation project being implemented at a cost of about 3 billion shillings. It is right now at 60% completion level, and this is one of the interventions the national government is introducing to support attainment of food security in all parts of the country. So overall, we can confidently state that our bottom-up economic transformation agenda plan is in a good state. Yeah, you have seen the major interventions within the agricultural sector by way of farm inputs. When we came into government, fertilizer was going for 7,500 shillings per 50 kilogram bag. Right now it's down to 2,500. We have also witnessed a radical reduction in the cost of unga. In the universal health coverage thematic area, again, we have already introduced the universal health coverage program, the transition from NHIF to SHA, and this is going to ensure that all Kenyans, irrespective of whether they are in formal or informal sector, will have access to health facilities as and when they fall sick. In the ICT space, we are establishing digital hubs all over the country to provide training for our youth and also digital jobs for the youth. So overall, we can confidently state that the Kenya Kwanza government bottom-up economic transformation agenda is in good state.